Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs for Docker under the microscope. And we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your Docker setup. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for Docker? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your container traffic stays safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never expose your real IP while managing Docker images or containers. And they've all had their no logs policies verified, meaning they don't track which servers or Docker hosts you connect to. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for Docker users. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for Docker because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot. A major plus for privacy when working on sensitive Docker projects. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could try to inject vulnerabilities or compromise your Docker environment, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called Meshnet, letting you securely link multiple development machines or Docker hosts as if they were on the same LAN. The one small downside, a limit of 10 devices at a time. Now that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can protect your Docker server, your laptop, and other gadgets all at once. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy Docker user can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a pledge. It's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable and reliable connection for your Docker workflows. And for any Docker user dealing with laggy or unstable connections, it provides a SOC 5 proxy for potentially faster routing of your container traffic. Just keep in mind you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that lower latency. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for Docker? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means less delay when pushing or pulling large Docker images. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady ping times using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its performance can vary, with ping spiking depending on the server you pick. So which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if low latency is your top priority, if you want the smoothest experience moving Docker containers around, or if you want the best all-around VPN with the most features. Go with IPVanish if you have many devices or a whole team managing Docker containers. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or privacy-focused Docker user who needs evidence to back up those claims. Its open source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running for Docker. See you soon.